Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Tennant T300 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment and also help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so we need to replace your vac hose. It's very simple. First, start by removing the vac hose from the squeegee assembly, and then open up your recovery tank. Okay, now with your recovery tank lid open and your battery compartment exposed, go ahead and take your suction hose and feed it up. So it makes it a lot easier to feed it up and pull out than it does to pull it down. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to loosen this hose clamp right here on your suction hose. Loosen that guy up. Then you can go ahead and remove the suction hose from the recovery tank. Now all you gotta do is pull the hose up. Now to install the new hose, go ahead and feed it back down to make sure it goes underneath the recovery tank drain hose. Just feed it down into the battery compartment. Now what you want to do is you want to take and reattach it to your recovery tank and tighten that hose clamp back down. Okay, now we can feed the other end of the hose back down through the battery compartment. Now all you need to do is pull it back down through and reattach it to your squeegee assembly. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.